welcome back to another video, and today is another video with my 2006 iMac 20-inch, which is the max size that was available at the time, and I will be upgrading the RAM to 3 gigabytes, which is the max it can handle, and also there's some issue that I have to explain later. And you want to shut down your iMac. Mine's already unplugged. And if you want to do it like this, that's fine, except it's going to be harder if you want to like put it all the way up. But I recommend like, sorry about that, maybe putting it on its bottom. Ooh, a little harsh on that. You might want to put it on the bottom, although it's going to be kind of hard to access it. So I recommend putting it screen facing flat, and it won't damage the screen. It might scratch up the bezel a little bit. Really heavy computer. And if you're wondering why power cord is still plugged in, it's just that. For me, it's hard to plug it in, and if you're wondering what these two things in the USB port are two mouses, you know, it's fine. I didn't bring my other one downstairs, so I gotta use my old broken mouse. So, that's fine. So, you wanna flip it screen facing flat. You wanna hold it by the bezels, and then slowly let go, and then hold on to the stand, and then you're good. And now you want to lift up the bottom, the stand to its max, and you can see instructions are right there. You can't really see it. Oh, now you can, but you want to put it a little down. I'm putting my camera a little down, and let's start unscrewing the screws. Guess. Is very easy to upgrade, and there are 2 RAM slots, so can get some nice RAM. And you can see if I eject them, only one of the RAM comes out, and that's because this RAM right here, it can't be easily taken out, because when you pull it out, it's actually like broken. Because when I first got the iMac, I didn't know how to upgrade it properly. So, yeah. You gotta get another 2 gigabyte stick, because, yeah. I gotta get another 2 gigabyte stick because one of my sticks isn't the proper connection. As you can see right here, the connection is different. So that's fine. Trying to find some more RAM. If I don't, I'll just put the old one back. I still had one small RAM that was a good capacity. I think I did. Most of them are 512 megs on 4 gig. There's a 4 gig. No, that's good. And 512 meg. It's too big. Alright. Anyways, will it fit? I'm not sure. Some of this is Apple RAM. Yeah, it's not the right one. So, gotta keep looking for this RAM. Ran out of the small sticks already. Wait. So, kind of a failure. I don't have any more RAM. So, have any more RAM. That's sad. Most of them are 512 megs. Yeah, most of them are 512 megs. That's not good. Not good. So, guess where'd my 256 meg one go? Oh, the 1 gigabyte one is back. So, I guess we're putting it back into the iMac. Guess I forgot what connection this iMac used. So, okay, just a second. Nope, that didn't work that time. God damn it. All right. Guess I'm screwing the screws back in because it's a failure. Kind of, not really, but still. I'm posting this video of very stupid me forgetting what type of RAM slot this iMac used. So I guess we're going staying at 2 gigabytes. Wait, I found the RAM. Okay. That RAM just was pretty bad because it wasn't the right type. Well, it was the right connection, but not the good amount of RAM. It's not the right amount of RAM I wanted, so that's a bummer. Why when you have older computers, try to upgrade the RAM connections are always different for some reason. But I guess that's okay. So, still gotta make sure your iMac still works. Oops. When I fix it, screwdriver kit. Oh yeah, I'll also leave the link to the tools I used. So that'll be good. And this video is longer than expected. I thought it was gonna be around like 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Like maybe around 3 to 4 minutes. Damn, this video is long. But just putting away some things. While the YouTube video is still going. Alright. So, now that some things are put away, I can lift the iMac back up. Kind of hard. You want to go in the grip. Pull it from the sides. So now I want to plug in my iMac and turn it on. There you go, it works. I love the iMac chime, but I guess this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.